going on, people? We are back with another video. Today's topic is going to be 90-second tips, tricks, and hacks on how to cut. So the first thing you have to do when you learn how to cut is focus on what is your target goal. Once you set that number, you know your target goal you know your target goal weight, then go in and do your BMR, your macros, micros, how many calories, carb, proteins, fat you should be eating for that goal. Now, let's focus on the actual workout. Minimum 4 exercises per body part. You can do a split, so maybe do upper body, lower body, push, pull, whatever you want to do. And also with that, you're going to do 4 rounds of 12 to 15 reps. So 4 rounds, 12 to 15 reps. And cardio. Most people, this is kind of confusing for most people, and the research doesn't really justify it, but cardio, I recommend to do cardio before your workout at your target heart rate for 30 to 45 minutes. If you don't know what your target heart rate is, go back and look at previous videos where we talked about this. 30 to 45 minutes, 3 times per week cardio before the workout. So that means it's putting your body in fat burning mode that you can go into the workout. So there you go, 90 seconds, tips, tricks, hacks, nuts, facts, how to cut. So continue to follow.